This is Cal. Welcome to your 4-minute lesson. Today we're going to be looking at the Blues Toolbox for guitar. This is actually one of my newer books I've just written. And what it does, it gives you 20 blues train rhythms to really liven up your blues playing. So in this lesson, we're going to basically look at number 1, probably the most common blues train rhythm. And it basically shows you in tab the 12-bar blues using that blues train rhythm, basically. And it also has a turnaround at the end. So let's get into the actual blues train itself. So a blues train, what we do is we use the 2 bass strings, the E and the A string. We put our first finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and how we're timing it basically in the book is we're going 1 and, then we put our 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the A string, 2 and, then we repeat it, 3 and 4 and. So we're only hitting these 2 bass strings here, not the rest of the guitar. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and like that. That's it. So it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So 2 and 4 essentially are the beats, the 2 and the 4 beat to put that 3rd finger down. So what a blues train rhythm is basically based upon when blues first was born. Actually, it was born on the rhythm of Mississippi ferries and trains. So that train rhythm, as the steam train went down the track or the ferry went down the Mississippi, basically provided the rhythm for blues like that. It has that kind of pulsing rhythm, which is great, which makes blues really a driving music form. And the great thing about it is that's your E blues train. If we move our first finger down a string to the 2nd fret of the D string, we can actually hit the A string and the D string like that and do the same thing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So still the 2 and 4 beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and like that. That's it. Yeah, and that train rhythm is also why you had things like, you know, that was your train whistle. That's the kind of from the blues, like that thing. So you had the train, and then the train whistle as well. So let's do the 12-bar. We'll do that as in the book. We'll do the 12-bar blues in the blues train. So let's do 4 bars of this. It goes from the E blues, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's 2 bars. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 3 bars. This is your 4th bar changing. That's 1 bar. That's 2 bars. Back to the E. Okay, and then we come to the B7 chord, which is there. First finger on the 1st fret of the D string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the A string, 3rd finger, 2nd fret of the G string, pinky on the 2nd fret of the E string. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to the A, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then the E. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so let's go through the whole lot now. We've got all the chords. So it starts from the E blues straight away. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's 1 bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's 2 bars. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's it, your A to your E. That's it, then your B7, A7, A blues, E blues. And then we finish on there. Okay, that was your blues train and your 4-minute lesson. Thank you.